Mastering Idioms, Understanding Getting Nowhere Fast. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Idioms can really spice up your language skills and help you sound more like a native speaker. In this video, we're going to break down the meaning and usage of the phrase, getting nowhere fast. It's a common expression that might seem a bit confusing at first, but by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. The phrase, getting nowhere fast, is an idiom used to describe a situation where someone is making no progress or achieving no results, despite putting in a lot of effort. It's often used to express frustration or to comment on the inefficiency of a certain process. The interesting part about this idiom is the contrast between getting nowhere and fast, which emphasizes the lack of progress despite the urgency or effort involved. Let's look closer at the components of getting nowhere fast. Getting nowhere suggests a lack of progress or advancement. Fast adds a sense of rapid action or effort being made. Together, they convey the ironic situation where despite seeming to be in a hurry or making a lot of effort, there is no actual progress being made. Understanding how to use an idiom in context is key to mastering it. Here are a few examples. 1. I've been trying to solve this math problem for hours, but I'm getting nowhere fast. 2. The team has been working on the project for weeks, but it feels like we're getting nowhere fast. 3. Despite running as fast as I could, I was getting nowhere fast in the thick mud. These examples show how the idiom can be used in various contexts to express frustration over the lack of progress. Use it when you want to emphasize a significant effort that results in little or no progress. It's suitable for both formal and informal contexts, but it's more commonly used in casual conversation. Pair it with a story or situation to make your conversation more engaging and relatable. And that's a wrap on getting nowhere fast. We hope this video has shed light on how to understand and use this idiom effectively in your daily conversations and writing. Remember, idioms are a fun way to enrich your English and express yourself more colorfully. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use getting nowhere fast when the situation calls for it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.